So okay, today question number 1. dy by dx equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 by sin y plus y into cos y. Second question, 3 e power of x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power of x into sec square y dx. Last one, y dash is equal to dy by dx is equal to 4x plus y whole square. So find the solutions, general solutions. So these three problems I am applying the variable separable method. So first question, dy by dx is equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 by sin y plus y into cos y. First cross multiplication. So sin y into dy plus y into cos y dy. This side x into 2 into x into log x plus x into 1x into dx. Next integration on both sides. So this is integration sin y dy integration y into cos y dy to outside integration. I am selecting this log x first x into dx plus x into dx. So this is direct integration sin y integration minus cos y. Okay. This is f of x g of x method. What is formula means? Integration f of x g of x dx. So f of x integration g of x minus integration f dash of x into integration g of x dx into dx. So this is the formula. So you can apply the which is f of y or which is g of y important. You can apply the ILAT inverse logarithms algebraics trigonometric exponential. So first this one y, this is a f of x. So nothing but y into integration cos y dy minus next integration this term, this is you can select it f of y, this is g of y. So first f of y nothing but y into integration g of y dy means cos y dy minus this f of y you can make derivative. So d by dy. So this is total y term you can select it in the integration process y. So this is x, this main formula f of x integration g of x dx minus integration f dash of x into integration g of x dx into dx. So d by dy of y into integration cos y dy. So this is two integration terms into dy. So integration 2 times dy dy. So is equal this side also log x is f of x is a g of x. Applying this formula f of x is 1, g of x is 1. So log x this is f of x integration g of x means x dx minus derivative d by dx of log x into integration x dx into dx plus integration x dx means x square by 2 plus c. Okay. So minus cos y plus cos integration sin cos integration sin y sin y minus d integration d by dy of y means 1. Okay. Next cos integration sine into dy. This is called 2 into log x. What is integration x dx? X square by 2 minus integration log x derivative 1 by x into integration x dx means x square by 2 into dx plus x square by 2 plus. So this is direct integration of the this side you can apply the f of y g of y process. So y integration cos y means sin y minus dy by dy of y means 1 cos integration sin this side f of x g of x formula f of x to log x integration x dx means x square by 2 minus integration log x derivative 1 by x into integration x dx means x square by 2. So minus cos y plus y into sin y minus what is integration sin? Sin integration minus cos. So minus minus plus cos y is equal. This is 2 inside 2 only this side. Okay. 2 into x square by 2 log x minus 1x is cancelled integration x by 2 dx plus x square by 2 plus. So minus cos y plus cos y cancel y into sin y. So 2 into x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integration x dx means x square by 2 plus x square by 2 plus. So y into sin y. So 2 to cancel x square log x minus 1 2 to cancel x square by 2 this side plus x square by 2 plus minus x square by 2 plus x by 2 cancel. Final y into sin y is equal to x square into log x plus c. So this is final general solution. So next second question 3 into e power of x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power of x sec square y dy is equal to 0. So this is also variable separable method. So 3 into e power of x tan y dx minus of 1 minus e power of x sec square by dy. So 3 into e power of x dx by okay is equal this is minus is inside minus minus plus e power of x minus 1 into sec square y by tan y into dy. So next 3 into e power of x by e power of x minus 1 into dx. This side sec square y by tan y dy. So total x term one side, y term one side. So applying integration both side. So what is process means? E power of x minus 1 derivative, e power of x derivative, e power of x. 1 derivative 0. So this applying the formula integration f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. So 3 is outside log of e power of x minus 1. So tan x derivative sec square y, tan y derivative sec square y. So applying the formula log of tan y, constant term log c. So which is formula means integration f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. This is formula. So e power of x minus 1 derivative e power of x. So that is log of e power of x minus 1. Tan y derivative is equal to square y. So log of constant of log c. So this is log of e power of x minus 1 whole cube minus log tan y is equal to log c. So log a minus log b, log of a by b. So log of e power of x minus 1 whole cube by tan y is equal to log c. So final log in the both side cancel. E power of x minus 1 whole cube by tan y. Final answer e power of x minus 1 whole cube by tan y equal to c. So this is a final general solution of second question. Next last one question. So last one, dy by dx is equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. So this is we can apply the substitute process. Let 4x plus y plus 1 is equal to t. So derivating on both sides with respect to x, derivative with respect to x. So 4 into t by dx of x plus this is dy by dx. This is d by dx of 1. This side dt by dx. So 4 into derivative of x means 1. This is dy by dx. This is constant derivative 0. This side dt by dx. So final dy by dx what is dt by dx minus 4. So dy by dx nothing but dt by dx minus 4 substitute. So dt by dx minus 4. dy by dx final dt by x dt by dx minus 4 is equal to t square. This one 4x plus y plus 1 equal to t. So that is t square. Final dt by dx is equal to t square plus 4. So final dt by 2 square plus t square is equal to dx. So integration on both sides. This is t term, this is x term. So this is formula. What it means? Integration 1 by a square plus x square dx. 1 by a tan inverse of a by x by a. This is formula. Integration 1 by a square plus x square dx means 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So this side a means 2. So 1 by 2 square plus t square. So 1 by 2 tan inverse of this side x, this side t. So t by 2 is equal to integration dx means x plus c. So final 1 by 2 tan inverse of what is t? T means 4x plus y. 4x plus y plus 1 by 2 is equal to x plus c. So this is the answer. Another term. So tan inverse of 4x plus y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 of x plus c. So you can apply the both side tan. This is cancel. And answer 4x plus y plus 1 equal to tan of 4x plus y plus 1 is equal to tan 2 tan of 2x plus okay. This is final. 4x plus y plus 1 equal to 2 of tan of 2 of x plus c. So this is a general solution. So this is directly you can apply the 4x plus y plus 1 equal to and you can find the derivative x and substitute this term and apply the integration process and formulas. This is a general solution.